guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan Dub Zeros. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Air Jordan Dub Zero. In the UK it's size 7.5, European 42, and it's at 8.5. And we got this in the white university blue colorway, or the UNC colors. And this is probably like the first hybrid Jordan's sneaker. It might have been that or the Spizikes. Can't remember which one came first. My cousin had some Spizikes, but I do remember seeing these, especially there was a pair of the SpongeBob, like you could have seen laser prints on it and it had SpongeBob, but we'll get into like that whole detailing once we get into this sneaker. So I'll unbox them for you, and here they are. And I think that this is the best colorway of the Dub Zeros. So the Dub Zero is an ode to Jordan's best silhouettes. Well, I don't know, they picked a handful of Jordan shoes, have taken their detail, and obviously with it being a hybrid, mashed them all together, sorry. And it comes in the UNC colorway, so this, baby blue, and the other was red, but I do think that this blue is better than the red personally. We're going to show you which little bits are which Jordan and which Jordans did not get used in the making of this sneaker. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is the Air Jordan 4 outsole. You can see the traction patterning there, herringbone patterning on the front and at the back, Jumpman logo in the middle, midsole unit as well. So again, it's the Air Jordan 4 tooling. So you've got polyurethane midsole with air unit that's hidden on the front, and you've got your little window, little air bubble at the back here at the heel. Now we look at the upper, so you can you can obviously see this patent leather, which represents the Air Jordan 11 right there. So you can see it goes all the way, and then with it being, the 20th anniversary of Jordan, that's why it's called the Dub Zeros. You got that commemorative Jordan piece at the back, right there, just above the Air Jordan part of the sneaker. Now, we look at the main body of the sneaker. So the main body, like the side paneling of the sneaker, is the Air Jordan 13, and technically, you can kind of see all the Jordans from 1 to 20 all laser printed onto the upper, all their detailing. I'll leave it to you guys to find out which one's which and where they are. That's too much of a job for me. So that's the Air Jordan 13. You can find the Air Jordan 6 right there at the heel, with the spoiler right there, the pull tab, if you so will. The little lace locks right at the top is from the Air Jordan 17. The tongue is the Air Jordan 12. You can see the 2-3 on the tongue as well, and the little Jumpman logo right there, padded. So unfortunately, it's not the best cuts of leather on the sneaker, but it's there. And I mean, the main thing, focus point of this sneaker is that laser print, and if you know your Jordans, you'll pretty much point out which part's which I've shown you guys for you right here. Insole, just a normal crash pad insole, textile within that uni blue colorway right there. Well, it's black and that university blue is the Jumpman logo. And also, one thing I forgot to mention is that the 13 is right there as well, just that Jordan logo also there for you. I think I've pretty much pointed out which Jordan is which on the detailing of the sneaker. Unfortunately, so it is meant to highlight his championship wins, but Jordan didn't win an Air Jordan 4. In my opinion, they should have. You're missing the Air Jordan 7, the Air Jordan 8, 9, 10. To be fair, Jordan didn't even play in 9, 10. He did play in 11, but as you know, that's featured on this. So maybe these are from Michael Jordan's favorite silhouettes. I don't know. You'd have to ask Michael Jordan himself that. But hey, Michael, if you're watching, and we know that you are, let us know in the comment section below why you picked those details, or if anyone from Nike or Jordan brand know, let us know. I'd love to know why. But no, this screams that 2000s look, you know, the early 2000s. Obviously, again, I've said it before, it celebrates the 20th anniversary of Jordan brand, and this is something that I'd see Carmelo wear when he was at the Nuggets, like in his early careers. So that was, obviously that's the mid 2000s, but I can see you wearing like baggy jeans. To be fair, baggy jeans, you know, that whole baggy bottom wear look is back these days, so maybe you can wear, you know, your baggy trousers with these on. But no, this is really iconic to like sneaker enthusiasts, want Air Jordan enthusiasts. Why I say that is because of that SpongeBob. There was that fake SpongeBob patterning, so you had SpongeBob laser printed on the upper, which I found hilarious. It was like a New York fable, if I remember correctly. But yeah, no, there's that story as well, which I found hilarious. All that talk, I know you guys want to see me try these on, so we won't let you wait any further. So roll that footage of me trying these Dub Zeros on for you. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I recommend that you get a half size down to what you usually wear for Jordan brand. I feel like there's a lot of space. My heel feels like it's slipping. Personally, I would like a more comfier, snug fit, but that's just me. In regards to the look, guys, I think these look really cool on. They're not your typical Jordan retro. This is a retro of an amalgamation of Jordans, and it's really dope on, I think, in my personal opinion. And personally, I think we got the right color in that UNC blue. If you like that red, maybe go for the reds if red is more your color, but the blue complements it more for me. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Follow us on TikTok at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end also. Until next time, peace.